Hi, welcome to my channel, Kel Naturals. Today, we will be talking about how intermittent fasting and fiber is the best diet to heal your leaky gut and lose weight. 97% of us lack the nutrient that prevents intestinal erosion, causing cognitive fog, lethargy, and fat storage. The JJ Virgin's 3-week strategy speeds up fat burn by 250%. You probably think of a healthy heart, mind, and body, but what about a healthy gut lining? Do you realize how vital this one cell thick lining is, covering almost 2,700 square feet if stretched out? This lining permits just certain nutrients into the bloodstream. Toxins and trash enter the bloodstream when the lining is compromised, causing havoc on our health. Approximately 80% of individuals who present with weariness, mental fog, and digestive difficulties have some degree of leaky gut syndrome. If your gut is damaged and leaky, your body will struggle to absorb nutrients. Result? Insatiable cravings that cause weight gain, especially around the middle. A recent study found that women with leaky gut syndrome have 56% higher abdominal fat than women with good gut linings. And new research reveals why the stomach lining develops these annoying gaps. When specific bacteria in the gut lack fiber, they start eating the lining, according to Dutch researchers. Bad bacteria proliferate and attack when there isn't enough fiber to feed the healthy bacteria. Considering that 97% of Americans lack fiber, this is a major issue. Fortunately, a straightforward two-prong method may swiftly repair leaks. The first stage may be self-evident in the light of the aforementioned study findings. Consume plenty of fiber. Fiber reduces inflammation and damage to the body, which causes it to retain fat. The second step is to attempt a temporary overnight fast to provide time for the holes to close. If you walk with a fractured ankle on a daily basis, it will not mend. It's similar if you continue to consume food while your gut lining is destroyed. Additionally, after a 14 to 16 hour fast, you stimulate cells in the lining to replace old ones. It's the fountain of youth for your gastrointestinal tract. Fasting for repair and fiber consumption boost the benefits of both treatments. In health, we know that a multifaceted approach is more effective than any single behavior. Fiber promotes healthy gut bacteria and alleviates cravings, while temporary fasting allows the intestinal lining to regenerate. When microorganisms enter the bloodstream via a leaky gut, the body mounts an immunological defense, instructing the system to store fat as a counterattack. Once the attack is subdued and beneficial bugs outnumber harmful ones, the excess fat falls off. A MIT study discovered that skinny people have higher levels of beneficial microorganisms. It is possible for healing to occur in as little as 72 hours. Gut cells regrow in around 3 days. Thus, after 72 hours, someone who has suffered from symptoms for years can get remarkable alleviation. The first change is that the bloat diminishes. Weight loss becomes effortless after the gut is healed. Women can lose up to 20 pounds in 28 days. In just 2 weeks, one test subject lost 8.5 inches from her waist and hips. The benefits of healing are numerous: more energy, clearer skin, improved immunity, and less joint pain. If you are liking this content and would like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Approximately 97% of women are lacking in dietary fiber, which damages the intestinal lining and contributes to chronic inflammation, making weight loss extremely impossible. It's simple to repair and jumpstart fat burning with a strong combination of stomach-stimulating foods and fasting to allow the gut lining to regenerate. Combining a fiber-rich diet with intermittent fasting enhances both benefits by reinforcing the gut wall with critical nutrients and enabling time for nutrients to be absorbed for repair. Along with shedding stubborn fat, JJ Virgin's new 21-day regimen will improve digestion, eliminate belly bloat, and alleviate fatigue, migraines, and joint discomfort. Many people lose 7 pounds in 7 days. To begin, abstain from gut-irritating meals for 3 weeks while loading up on inflammation-healing whole foods, such as fiber-rich smoothies. Additionally, you provide a break to your digestive system by practicing time-restricted eating for 12 hours a day. Incorporate these straightforward ways to boost gut healing and fat burning. You'll avoid the things that multiple gut specialists believe are most likely to cause havoc in the gut on this modified elimination diet: gluten, dairy, peanuts, eggs, corn, soy, and refined sugars, including artificial sugars. You can make horizontal substitutions, such as switching from cow's milk to coconut milk. You're instructing your body on how to burn fat more efficiently and lowering the inflammation thermostat that keeps you fat. JJ Virgin suggests 2 20-gram protein-packed, belly-reducing drinks per day. By following the link in the description below, you can try Virgin's Reignite Wellness Protein Shakes. Additionally, she recommends consuming 16 grams of fiber per day from fruits, vegetables, and nuts, as well as eating 1 whole foods meal per day throughout the first week of the plan to expedite slimming and healing. Smoothies will make you feel more fulfilled and energized, as well as improve your mood and stress response, all of which will aid in your commitment to a new lifestyle. Consume sufficient fiber. Consume a variety of anti-inflammatory, fiber-rich, gut-healing foods. On average, the average person consumes less than 16 grams of fiber each day. Individuals should aim for 50 grams of fiber each day. Consuming foods high in fiber boosts the formation of short-chain fatty acids, which are known to accelerate metabolism by 250%. To avoid constipation and cramping, we recommend increasing your fiber intake gradually over time while drinking lots of water. Allow time for digestion. The challenge with intermittent fasting is to select a time zone that is just right, not excessively lengthy or excessively short. Reduce your eating window to 12 hours 5 days a week during these 3 weeks. For instance, refrain from eating between 8 p.m. and 8 a.m. Extending the fasting window to 16 hours twice a week produces the best results. Many women find that fasting is so helpful at accelerating weight reduction that they continue to do so after the 3-week schedule is completed. People frequently comment on how much better they feel when they abstain from food. For many, resting a damaged gut and ceasing to poke the beehive has a higher negative effect than anything else. Remain calm and inhale deeply. Numerous studies have demonstrated that stress may wreak havoc on the gut. Cortisol levels that are too high can compromise the integrity of your gut wall, resulting in leaky gut syndrome. Each day, spend 5 minutes practicing deep diaphragmatic breathing. To accomplish this, inhale for 2 to 4 seconds through your nose and exhale through your mouth for 6 to 8 seconds. The gut functions well when it is calm. Following 3 weeks on the JJ Virgin's elimination diet, You can gradually reintroduce potentially reactive items like dairy or grains, one at a time every 3 days. Virgin recommends paying attention to physical changes such as bloating, headaches, or weariness as indicators that the gut is reacting to the diet. This enables you to focus on items that you can consume without gaining weight in the future. It's comparable to earning a PhD in the science of you. It provides revolutionary new insight into your body and wellness. Remember to click the link in the description below to try some of JJ Virgin's protein smoothies. Thanks for watching.